you will see magnetic field around the magnet. Which magnet? Bar magnet. So magnetic field around a magnet. So see, first and foremost you need to learn magnetic field lines are closed loops. Magnetic field lines are closed loops, and also they are do not collide with each other, and also same poles repel each other, and opposite poles are attract each other. So we'll see today. So first and foremost, I have a bar magnet. So how many poles? 2 poles. So this is a north pole and this is a south pole because they are marked here. This is a north pole and this is a south pole. Okay. And here we have a magnetic compass. So this is a small magnetic compass. It has a needle. It shows north and south direction. When it is freely, it shows north and south direction. Okay. So today I taken one white chart. Okay. So I placed the bar magnet on the white chart and I draw the border outline of this magnet. Why? If suppose while doing the experiment, this magnet is displaces. Okay, it is moving from one position to another position. It is very easy to adjust when you are drawing the outer line for this. Okay. So these are the iron fillings. So these are the iron fillings actually. So they are okay. So these are iron fillings. So I am wearing a plastic cover. Do anybody have rubber bands? Iron fillings are attract this magnet. It is not easy to remove. So that's why I am using a plastic cover. Give me one more. Okay. So this is a bar magnet which is covered with a plastic paper. So keep this bar magnet in as usual original position. And take some iron fillings and sprinkle them. Yes, sprinkle them around this paper and gently touch this. And use some more. Okay, see this structure. So these magnetic field, these iron fillings are arranged themselves into a particular shape. Am I correct or not? So these are the magnetic field lines. So these are the magnetic field lines. This alignment shows the magnetic field around the bar magnet. Magnetic field lines around the bar magnet. See, if you see this is a bar magnet. Let us consider it is a bar magnet. Magnetic field lines around this bar magnet, they are like this shape. Okay? See, they are arranged like that or not? Understand or not? Okay, this is our activity. It's a very simple activity. If anybody have doubts, please stand and ask me. Any doubts? Okay, thank you. Close enough.